who has the cutest covers for her videos.
We'll be passing the slime to the ranter, whose layout to me looks pretty cute.
So much. Anyways, passing the phone to Anne, underrated ranter with great characters.
Anyways, I'm passing the phone to one of the new ranters.
I'm passing the phone to whoever wants it.
Hi, I'm passing the phone to anyone who has a Danganronpa, Madoka Magica, TADC, or Murder Drones layout.
Hi, I'm passing the phone to someone who's underrated new to ranting, under 2K subs. Hi, I'm Giggles, and I'm going to be passing the phone to someone who has a Doki Doki Literature Club layout with any of the characters on it.
Why thank you. I'm passing the phone to the ranter with the best layouts that are mostly Cookie Run Kingdom and Dandy's World.